This is an ABC Action News tracking the Tropics update.
Brought to you by the Wise Company. You can't prevent certain events in life, but you can prepare for them.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I'm meteorologist Jason Adams. I want to give you the latest from the National Hurricane Center. Their 2 o'clock advisory has winds at 110 miles per hour. Look at the structure of the storm. The eye becoming much more clear. This is likely going to be up to a Category 3 storm within the next 12 hours, maybe even by our 5 o'clock advisory, as winds with Category 3 storms begin at 111 miles per hour. It's 1 mile per hour shy of that. Movement continues to be to the north, and the expected eventual northeast turn still puts the Florida Panhandle in line for a potential major landfalling hurricane. Now, our next updated track will come in at 5 o'clock this afternoon. This was from 11 o'clock this morning, and 125 to 130 mile per hour winds expected at landfall anywhere between Destin and Apalachicola, with most of our forecast models, including the latest European model and the latest American model, honing in on Panama City Beach as the possible spot where the eye does make landfall. So as we look at what's happening here at home, we continue to see tropical storm watches and warnings, but we're more concerned about our storm surge conditions, as we're already getting reports of flooded docks at Indian Rocks Beach. The water line at Clearwater Beach has moved halfway up the beach, so we're already beginning to see the water rises here, even though the storm is well to our west. So in this kind of purplish pink color, that's the storm surge watch for up to 4 feet of surge possible here through Pinellas, coastal Hillsborough, and Manatee County, up to 1 to 2 feet in our coastal flood advisory here through Sarasota County. And then in pink, our storm surge warning for the Nature Coast, where we could see spots with up to 6 feet of storm surge. And the best opportunity for that is certainly here in Citrus County from Crystal River north. That's where we could likely see the highest storm surge problems out there. So here's the tropical storm watch from Hernando County south. This means that tropical storm force conditions are possible, and that's of course winds over 39 miles per hour. I think we could see a 40 mile per hour gust on the coast, but the best chance for 40+ mile per hour winds will certainly be to our north as the storm begins to move up to the north and west over the next few hours. Here's the latest forecast track with Futurecast. Notice here we are in Tampa, the storm well to our west tonight, and then tomorrow afternoon, that's when the center of the system is expected to begin to make its landfall over towards Panama City. Now, this is 10 a.m. Wednesday. The storm's still offshore and very powerful, potentially maybe even up to a Category 4. We can't rule that out, as the structure of the system has really become much better defined today. This is by noon Wednesday, and then watch as we go towards 2 to 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. That's when our Futurecast model shows the potential landfall at or just east of Panama City. But again, from Destin over to Carabel and Apalachicola, these areas have to watch this for the next couple of days. But back here at home, again, we're not concerned about hurricane force winds, but the coastal flooding is definitely going to be an issue, as we're already seeing that now, and we'll likely see it again becoming an issue at high tide overnight tonight and into tomorrow afternoon. Wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour are possible, especially at the coast. And of course, with any system that passes by us that's a tropical system or a landfalling tropical system, that threat for isolated severe weather in the form of an isolated tornado and wind gusts over 60 miles per hour are possible with any squalls over the next couple of days. Again, the next advisory comes in at 5 o'clock. Chief Meteorologist Dennis Phillips will have that one for you.
In 2017, the USA experienced record-breaking storms. 2018 is predicted to be just as severe. If you feel at risk, you are not alone. Protect your family for up to 25 years. Call Wise Food Storage and stock up on their easy-to-prepare foods that have a shelf life of up to 25 years. In a crisis, don't worry about what your family will eat. Call or go online to request a sample. 1-800-880-3930. Prepare now.